Let's go. We're finally, oh, it's finally green. Hopefully it's not a fake out, man. But we have not had, I don't think we've had green in the pre-market, right? Like 1 minute till the, with 1 minute till the open. I don't think we've had that all this week. I could be wrong on that. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, that's awesome. And also, before I forget, 1 second, boys, 1 second. 1 second. This is relevant. I know this is gonna sound dumb, but this is relevant. I'm gonna put the Mark interview here in the pinned comment in the chat, and I'm gonna leave Weeble up right now because we're about to open up here. I'm kind of nervous. Let's go. I think today's gonna be a good day though. Okay, interview with biggest retail shareholder in BNGO. All right, done. Boom. Okay. I misspelled interview. I don't care. All right, boys, here we go. Good morning. What's the predictions for the day? What are y'all thinking for the day? What are y'all thinking? Thank you, Marcus. I appreciate that, my friend. All right, again, 718. We're up almost 1% pre-market. Mara's doing amazing. Dude, did anyone get the Mara dip yesterday, man? Dude, this thing, I don't usually, I'm going to be honest, I don't time trade this well usually. Okay, I have never timed to trade this well on a live trade, which we've done like 5 of, right? I mean, I bought at 24.80. I think, or 24.60. I mean, man, Bitcoin is to the freaking moon, man. Not really, but Mara is. Mara's certainly to the moon. If high growth does well today, dude, Mara could go up a lot more. Or not. Sometimes Mara is weird, but we've got, here we go. There's the open. Here we go. Let's put the 1 minute chart on. Oh, no. No, what is this order? What are these orders coming in? We don't even know if they're green or red. What's up with this? What is up with this? Hold on. Whoa, no. No, not another red day. No, we've got red orders coming in, but there's mostly just white orders. It's really weird. And there's no shares. Almost no shares. Okay, there's some. Okay, and then we had a couple green at the start. That's it. Man, really weird. Very, very weird. Okay, then. Well, it looks like, let's see how the market token open up. High growth's opening up pretty well. Nasdaq's up a little bit. Russell's up a little bit. SPY and Dow doing nothing. Okay, interesting. UVXY down. The fear index is down a lot. Good. This is what we need today. Screw the markets. We need high growth to do well for once. Gosh, every day they do not. CTXR is green again. Oh man, CTXR is always green. I said yesterday, right? All right, look at this. All right, high growth is giving us the chance right now. Right now, high growth is giving us the chance to outperform. Let's see if Bionano does. I think it's time. I really think it's time that we do get an outperforming day, okay? Even if it's just going to be a dead cat bounce kind of day, it still is. I mean, 13,000 shares just bought at the ask right there. 723. Buy side and balance again. We did get, oh, what the heck? We got a sell side and balance right here. New intraday high 725, up almost 2%. Sell side and balance here, that's very weird. That's kind of confusing, to be honest with you. It just started, and that is for today. That is the 23rd. Yeah, that's very weird. I wonder if that'll change. Anyways, 1.5% in the green right now. 1.5% in the green, boys. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, intraday highs. Let's set that short interest data. I know. I gotta check. Ooh, what is this? Okay, I promise you I did not look at this before. Guys, we're now at 51 million shares sold short, not yet covered. I'm telling you, if high growth and the markets give us a chance, you're going to wish you cared about the short interest when the squeeze happens, if it does, right? Okay, make your own decision, people. But yeah, it's very important, I think. But I would not be surprised today if we outperform and do better than Microvision and Nano Dimension. Because, I mean, come on, Kay. Even if you want to make the argument that these are better companies, Bionano, it's time for a dead cat bounce because we literally have underperformed them for 2 straight days. Well, I guess yesterday we didn't underperform, but the first day we underperformed so much, it's probably about time. Oh, 728, almost 2%, and almost 2% in the green, boys. I mean, guys, the short interest, I mean, come on. You guys know what I'm going to say. High growth gives us the chance. The markets give us a chance. There's a good chance of a squeeze. But it has to be under the right circumstances. Oh, no. Look at Nano Dimension going. I mean, I guess this is good. I don't know if this is good or not. You tell me. Do you think it's good or bad that Nano Dimension is running? I don't know. It's good that high growth is doing well. That's for sure. Mara's up 5%. AMC's getting killed. Okay, I'm going to have to add some more shares. I'm serious about adding some shares to AMC. I want it to go down more, though. It needs to hit the 21 SMA, then I'll really add. And then I'll do an actual trade, and then I'll become part of the cause. Kind of, not really. BNGO is the real cause, but that's like the side cause. Yeah. We need to catch up to Nano. Yeah, we do. Yeah. Honestly, it honestly inspired me. It's awesome. That's awesome, man. Yeah, the interview was fun. It was a good time. It was a good time. Mark really does own, and this is one thing I wish he would. I wish he would make a video of this showing his portfolio. I don't know if he can do that safely on his account because every account's different. But 731 new intraday high, 2.5% the green. Woo, baby, we're just past Nano Dimension. Let's go. That's what we need. It's time for an outperforming day, all right? I mean, the short interest justifies it. The freaking news justifies it, man. I mean, somebody tell me, is Nano Dimension getting in the Russell 3000 inclusion as well? I don't know. Even if they are not, oh, wow, 733, 3% the green almost right now. Let's see. Are the markets helping us right now? They are. Look at this. This is beauty. This is beauty. We've got the intraday highs, intraday highs as well, pretty much, but all-time highs for the Nasdaq, right? You're nullifying this potential triple top pattern, which is what I was scared about. A lot of people were probably scared about this. We had a triple top for a little bit, and then we stayed up here, and then that's when I started saying, okay, it's based on this. You know, it's likely to we're likely to get a break above all-time highs, and it looks like we did. Finally. And let me also remind everybody of something. When the Nasdaq was at all-time highs on February 16th, high growth was valued about double in the aggregate, at least on my watch list. Everything was valued about double its current price right now. So maybe that can tell you something about where high growth will go if the Nasdaq continues to do well, or if high growth returns to February 16th levels. 732 right now, 2.5% the green. Testing the intraday high, 5,000 shares just bought at the ask. We've got a fake wall at 745, new intraday high, 734. We got a fake wall. You guys want to know what fake wall is? You guys want to know what the shorts are up to today? Well, you know what the shorts are up to today. Okay, they're increasing. Yeah, they're increasing. You know, 50 million extra, 51 million shares now. Almost 20% of the free float currently sold short, not yet covered. Simple as it gets. All right, they're not stopping. And if they don't stop, I think they're gonna get screwed over. They're gonna get screwed over one of these days. It's only a matter of time, but when? It is a matter of time if my fundamental analysis is right, because there will be catalysts that force them to realize that the company is better than they originally thought. It's inevitable. Okay, I am inevitable. I actually don't like that quote very much. That's what popped in my head though. But yeah, this is high growth does well today, and we've got a chance to do great things. Mor's up 5%. Whew. GameStop's down. Weird. BlackBerry. SENS doing pretty good. MP Skills, everything's doing well. Clover's running again today. What the heck? Microvision's starting to pick up. Microvision is so weird. So weird. I wish Bionano moved like Microvision in that, you know, not that correlated to the markets. But right now, it looks like, I don't know if this is a coincidence or not, but it looks like the Nasdaq and high growth is moving very similarly, right? I mean, both of them are just going straight up so far. Right out of the gate, right? It's only been 6 minutes. We'll see if this is a fake. Okay, and I have to tell you, a new intraday high. Oh, look at those buys. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. That is shorts literally contemplating suicide right there, okay? Now, I know. Now, some people are going to say, well, they made so much money, Brandon. The shorts are already up so much. Well, yes, they kind of are, but guess what? They increased their short position yesterday. There were people buying and taking up new short positions when we were below $7, man, and in the low sevens. What's happening today? They're getting screwed, man. And of course, they're just, you know, that's just what they do. 738 new intraday high, 3.5% in the green. Woo, baby! Look at these freaking buys, man. Look at these freaking beautiful buys. When's the last time you saw something like that? Not too familiar. 18,000 shares bought at the ass, another 7,000. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Come on, we got to break 738 now. That's like, what is that? That's like 30,000 shares almost bought at 738. Come on, when we go down 2 cents, what the hell? What the hell? Can you say market manipulation on that? Okay, I don't know for sure, right? It's, you know, there's not, we don't know for sure. Dart pools, shorts, yeah, yes. But it happens repeatedly, okay? I say that's pretty damn strong evidence for market manipulation because it literally has not stopped happening. There's always a buy-side imbalance at the opening, close, and during the freaking day. Almost always, right? There's very few sell-side imbalances that the actual metric itself has reported, and even fewer than that. Probably and that's it. There's no, and during the day there's none. Really, I mean, there really are none. For some reason, it always takes more shares being bought to go up. Usually. Well, you know what? Not always, but in the aggregate, more times than not, yes. That's what I would say. Tweet. Oh, what do we got? This better not. You better not mess with me. This better be good. You're getting me excited now. Oh, what is this? This is old. This is super old. They did it again to us. Damn it. Hey, it's good to see that they're doing the marketing, though. Dang it. Dang, you guys were late on that. You guys were late on that call. What the heck, 10 minutes ago? Brandon, you have ADD. Yeah, pretty much. I think why you want to think that. Yeah. I guess. Okay, yeah. Mark didn't know the fundamentals of BNGO, but when he bought, he has a lot of money already. Yeah, you've been saying it for 10 minutes. Oh man. Yeah, there's no news. Of course there's no news. We should know better than to know there's news. I hope we don't get rejected at this. Okay, good. Good. I was getting scared in the pre-market that we were going to get rejected at this level because we were before, but we broke through it, it looks like. So good. Let me see what the level is we got to hold over today. Okay, 714. We got to close the day above at least 714. $7.14. We got to go above that, man. Smells like a buyout soon. Really? Do you hear that? That is a margin call. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's exactly right. It is a margin call. They're on the way. Not for us, okay? That's going to sound funny to people who don't understand, but not to us, to the shorts. To the hedges, to the people who have puts and have short positions on Bionano, and especially the dumbasses that were adding to their short positions yesterday. Like, what in the hell are you thinking? Are you trying? Do you want to jump off a bridge? I don't understand these guys. It's like they must be calling. I don't know what they're thinking though. I mean, why would you? I don't know. I don't know what I seriously do not know what they're thinking. But you know, no one does. Okay, the shorts, they don't even know what they're thinking, right? I mean, the shorts, you know, they are what they are. They're shorts for a reason. Okay. Someone was claiming BNGO had a competitor that has digital mapping. What company? What company? Could be a buyout. Well, what do you call it, Mark? I actually had to. I don't think this is actually in the interview because I edited it out because it wasn't the best. It wasn't the best content. But there was Mark, the 1 million shareholder of BNGO. He thinks it's complicated, but he thinks there may be a chance that Fugent FOGT acquires Bionano. And there's some weird reasons. I don't even know if he wants me to say this out loud, so I'm just not going to. I don't think he cares, but I'm not sure. I need to ask him about that. But I'm gonna. But I don't even think it's possible because they only have 700 million in total assets, so they don't even have the money. They don't even have close to the amount of money it would take to actually acquire Bionano. So, but somebody fact check me on that, please. Oh man. They eat crayons. Yeah, the shorts do. Guessing the new rule that went into effect today, yeah, is going to cause a lot of margin calls. Yeah, the thing that, what is it exactly? Crap. It's the auto margin call thing. Yeah, it's the, you automatically get a margin call quicker or something. I don't, you know what? Let me look that up real quick. Let me go over that for y'all. I should probably be going over that. That is pretty relevant to Bionano. Okay, that's May 16th. Is this the one that's going in? Whatever. Okay, too complicated. We'll go over it later. Bullish engulfing candle here, maybe? Yes, I would love that. Pump and dump. Marco's back. Marco's back. First red candle the first few red candles, actually literally the first red candles we get on the day. Marco's here. FOGT won't buy out BNGO. The only way it would work is if it's a merger of equals, which means no premium on BNGO. Yeah, that's kind of my thought because they just don't have enough cash. So, but Mark has some interesting connections to the company of FOGT. He has Yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Yeah. Volume. Let's see the volume today. What the first? Let's do 10-minute candle here. Let's compare it. It's probably not. Well, let's see. Oh, it's technically okay. It's a little bit better than yesterday, but still horrible. Still horrible. Look at that. That's horrible. That's laughable. It always is laughable. The volume always sucks ass. Let's be honest, right? But you know, hammer candle forming on the 5-minute. Yeah, let's go ahead and leave the 5-minute up now. 5-minute hammer candlestick forming. We got a doji. It's not what you want. Okay, selling pressure coming in by that long wick, right? Not what you want. People taking profits already, getting scared. Let's see what the markets are doing. NASDAQ is still holding up pretty well. Today, I have a feeling today we're just going to move with the NASDAQ because that's kind of what we've been doing. Kind of. Right? We went straight up, then we kind of are going down, cooling down, and the NASDAQ did almost the exact same thing. The Russell, however, the Russell just going straight up, okay? That's what you like to see. But high growth nowadays, this week, for some reason this week, high growth doesn't give a shit what markets do. Very weird. PerkinElmer or 10x Genomics, bidding war, buyout likely. I don't know. Do they have enough cash? I don't even know those companies' cash, so I don't know. Yeah, the volume today is slightly better than yesterday, which is not saying much, but we'll take it, right? If we look at high growth as a whole, it's green across the board. It's beauty, right? Mora's up 5%. That's beautiful. AMC's up 3%. Man. Clover's up. Workhorse. Blackbear's getting killed for some reason. SENS doing well. MP Skills. Virgin Galactic. Almost everything. Kate, what the hell is going on with Torchlight? Holy crap. I'm going to have to buy the dip. Somebody give me some DD on this company real quick. Dude, look at this. This thing is getting... I understand that it went up an insane amount, but holy... Wow. I'm going to have to buy this if it comes down to 21 SMA. I have to buy a couple shares. Just for the hell of it. Don't know anything about the company, though. Please don't do what I'm doing. When I do live trades, it's literally a gamble sometimes. Usually they're... I've been like... My live stream trades have actually been very accurate. I've been good on like 4 out of 5 or... I think it's like 4 out of 6 of them now. Because my Microvision one screwed up. I screwed up on Microvision and Clover, and I did well on Mora, AMC, and BlackBerry. And I think there might have been one other one. Anyways, they dumped because of special dividends. I know, I can't believe Nano Dimension is over $1. I know, it's so disrespectful. It's such a disrespectful statement for people, or just the audacity to have Nano Dimension's value $1 over BNGO after all of the crazy things that we've had just this month alone. Did Nano Dimension get a new CCO and CBO that had experience at Illumina and FDA approval experience? No. Do they have CLI lab postings? No, of course not. None of this shit. They don't have any of this shit. And they're valued way higher. Whatever. Nano Dimension's fine, but it's just, It hurts me. It hurts my soul. But it's also good that we can add on the dip while they, while people buy Nano Dimension and sell BioNano. But whatever. Hey, I could be wrong. So, and also look at this. Okay, I can now buy 900 shares. I just deposited some money in the account, and I can now buy about 1,000 shares at this price. So if it dips even more, I'll be able to get 1,000, maybe 1,500 if it dips low enough, right? So I'm just telling y'all, when I say I'm going to buy a ton if we dip, I'm serious. This is still 100% of the portfolio, man. It still is. Gosh, AMC is insanity, man. It's making me wish I bought more than one share. Let me pull up some indicators here. Okay, bullish on the 5-minute. That's not interesting. We'll keep it on the 1-minute for now because there's no barcoding. When there's no barcoding, it's like the 1-minute's cool, right? 5-minute. Yeah, the 1-minute only sucks because barcoding. That happens literally almost every day. The 5-minute is always great. Well, not always great. It's better than 1 minute when there's barcoding, though. Highly doubt buyout. Buyout speculation seems to be more of a rumor spread by someone who bought above 8. It's extremely disrespectful. We have a bigger market cap. Do we have a bigger market cap? Hold on. This is a little bit irrelevant. What is? I thought Nano Dimension has a similar market cap. What is their market? I know their revenue is absolutely horrible, but that's for some good reason, right? They're trying to acquire a ton of companies and whatever. No, they have the exact same market cap as us. We're actually, is that a little bigger? Do they have a little bit of a bigger market cap than us? I think they do. I'm pretty sure Nano Dimension has a bigger market cap than BNGO. BNGO is right around almost $2 billion or a little bit above. Okay, yeah, see, Nano Dimension has a bigger market cap than us. Yeah, they have 2.15 billion. We have just 2 billion flat, basically. Yeah. What if Newsweed, paper hands, how much would that move the stock? That was a question I recommend everybody go watch the start of that interview because it's pretty funny. At least I think the very start of it is pretty funny because we're asking him when he's gonna sell, and he basically said he's gonna sell like 100,000 shares by the end of the year, I think. Yeah, by the end of the year, in December, I think he basically said. So, focus your camera. What the heck? Why does it look so weird today? I mean, I know it's bad. Usually, it's not this bad though, is it? Hey, let me put the light on here. Let me go throw the light on real quick. Yeah, I'll be right back here. 1 second. Ah. Okay, I think that should be better. Yeah, that looks better. 732 right now, 2.5% in the green. Who was the other dude in your interview? Your friend. That was a random guy that showed up at the same place. He was a subscriber. His name is Aaron. His name is Aaron Dennis. And he came in on the Discord not that long ago. He said, what did he say? Right here. Aaron D. Should have joined us a while ago. Yeah, this is the guy. This is the legend himself. He showed up. Remember yesterday when we were on the stream in the after hours? Market closed. I said we're doing it at Jury, Springfield, Missouri Library. He showed up. So it's awesome. Oh, man. That's freaking depression. Why is there so much selling pressure right now? All right, whatever. I'm not going to get mad. It's fine. If we end the day red today, it's fine. Don't matter. I'm just buying more. Yeah, down payment on his ex-wife's house. Yeah. Aaron Dennis is here. Yeah, that's the legend himself, Aaron Dennis. Yeah. There he is, the legend himself, Aaron Dennis. He was the guy in the interview yesterday. Yeah, man. What is short interest? Short interest is just the amount of shorts that have their position open and not yet covered, right? So that's just think of it as a metric. The higher it is, the more selling pressure on the stock, right? Simple as it gets. All right. Yeah, but someone on Twitter said gap is filled. We wait for a reversal. Is that true? Well, I'll tell you what. The most bullish thing for today is that number one, we're holding above 20 estimate. We're getting a balance. And number two, stochastic indicator is you got the bullish flip. Okay, you got the bullish flip, and we've got way farther to go on the 4-hourly stochastic indicator. So I like to see that, but it just depends. Depends if the people investing in Bionano get their head out of their ass or not. Okay, I mean that's at the end of the day, it's that and high growth. So it's hard to say. Nano Dimension is at 840 now. This is just disrespectful at this point. I mean, it's painful. This is painful. The legend himself. Sounds like we should schedule a group picnic in Bionano's parking lot or something. Dude, hell yeah, I'll do that. Chart out of focus? What the hell? What chart out of focus? Bro, shut up. What are you talking? You're trolling now. We're trolling now, I think. Oh, the board is certainly trollish this morning. Yeah, that's for sure. 500,000 strong after I marry his ex-wife. Yeah. Almost 2% agreement now. Yeah, but Newsweek, yeah, Mark himself, he's going to sell, I guess. Hopefully he doesn't sell more than this, but essentially if you watch the interview, he said it pretty clearly. He's going to sell about 100,000 by December or in December after it maybe, I guess, for tax reasons, and he wants to do some stuff with the money, so. But he's going to be hodling most of his shares long term, essentially. He was very vague on what he wants the company to do. If he's gonna continue holding, but basically, I think he's gonna hold for a while. I think he's gonna hold for a while. So, did he show you proof of the shares? Yes, I did say that at the start of the video, and I should have said that more to reiterate it because that's the most important thing. Yeah, he did show me his actual account. Yeah, he showed me the actual account, and it is. Yeah, I can verify for you. Yeah, he's truthful. It is over $7 million in value, over 1 million shares in BNGO. Yeah, simple as it gets. NNDM seems better than BNGO. Yeah, okay, go buy NNDM then. Get out of here then, if you want, man. This is insane. He's held this long. He's good for the long run. Yeah, I think so. He was a true Wall Street bets YOLO. If you're smart, you're holding for over a year for sure. I think so. Holding NNDM, but really holding BNGO for about a year now. That's a legend. You're a legend for holding BNGO for this long now. Yeah, you're a legend for that, man. Please buy some NNDM shares. Have more fun. No, I'm not about to buy these prices. NNDM is fine, but it's the fact that Nano Dimension has a higher market cap right now and a higher share price than BNGO is insulting, and it just shows you that no one cares about what Bionano has been doing. It just shows you no one knows about the CCO, CBO, or CLI lab listing, job listings, or PLA codes, or anything that we've got, any of the news that we've got in the last 2 months. Okay, no one cares about it. That otherwise we would be valued. You guys know what the true value of this is. Okay, it's way higher than this easily. Okay, in my opinion, it is. Okay, I mean, come on. When you know a company is going to be making $1 billion in net income in 2030 per the analysts CAGR, if you extend that from 2025 to 2030, if you know that, you know the Sapphire the Sapphire's legit. Okay, so many analysts. I mean, don't take it from me. Take it from the analysts projecting the revenue, right? Simple as it gets. I mean, we're going to be worth. I mean, it's over. It's over once $1 billion in net income. Do you know how many times the stock will? Do you know how many multiples that is for the stock price if we make $1 billion in net income in 2030? It's not like we're going to have to wait 8 years, 9 years, and then it just suddenly hits. No, we're talking about a growth that looks like this, right? It's just getting big. It's an exponentially growing chart. That's what it is. All right. What's up with everyone getting drunk? Yeah, what is up with the chat these 2 days, man? I don't know what's going on. Anyways, let's go to some other stocks here. Since Bionano's going side, Bionano's starting to do nothing. Okay, Names is still doing well. Mars up 1%. AMC's up 1%. Clover's up 8%. Is this really okay? Okay, MP is finally doing something today. Interesting. Finally, I guess it's done pretty well since it's lows. I guess it's done pretty well. Yeah. Went up to 37. That's pretty sweet. We check the broader markets. Ooh. The Dow just flipped red. That hurts. SPY is red now, too. And I of course, I always say I don't care about these two. I don't really, but I only care about them a little bit because they do affect the NASDAQ sometimes. It's that rubber band effect. Everything is correlated a little bit, right? You cannot escape it, right? I mean, it's impossible to. 724, 1.5% in the green right now. Still in bullish territory on the 1 minute SAR. On the 5 minute, we're good. Okay, good. On the 5 minute Supertrend, or on the 1 minute Supertrend. Sorry, excuse me. Is there any news that we can talk about? I don't think there is. If there's anyone new here, let me show you my portfolio real quick. If there's anyone new here, I bet there's not. Do we even have any new viewers in here? I bet we probably don't. But Chaz Wild for real. Yeah, it is. Marcus Rodriguez equals Shorty Weiner. Yeah, he is. Yeah. But yeah, my whole portfolio is Bionano. I mean, technically it's not, but okay, these are just play money, just fun trades. So yeah, it's 100% BNGO, and I'm going to be buying another 1,000 shares at least, if not way more than that, in the next few months. Probably by the end of next month, I'll probably have another 1,000 at some point. If it dips. If it doesn't dip, then we'll deal with that as it goes. But yeah, I don't know. What if it was fake account he showed you? Did you think if we see the way how it comes to get again for the share? What? Well, no. It's really, you can't really. No. I don't think you can, and here's why. We're starting the barcode. No, we're starting the barcode. No, we lasted about 30 minutes. No, we lasted about 26 minutes. Oh man, we're starting the barcode now. Damn it. Very glad Bitcoin came back up. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin did come back up, and it's in that same pattern right now. It's in that same cup and handle ish pattern, right? If you look right here. Okay, it's a similar pattern. It's literally a cup, and then you don't really get much of a handle, right? You see the same thing. Well, I guess this was a textbook cup and handle. Well, not really. God, this is a weird chart actually. Now that I think of it, but anyways, you kind of have, and anyways, you usually have some sort of cup action going on with Bitcoin in the last since we hit the bottom here. Also, if you look at the stochastic indicator. On the 4 hourly, you're looking like, okay, maybe this is your sell point. You're looking pretty. You're getting very close to overbought. On the daily, though, you just got the bullish flip. So it's like, do you want to sell right now? I don't know. It's up to you. For Bitcoin. So it's very interesting for Bitcoin right now. There's no news for Bionano. There's literally, here we go. We got a new article here. Okay, good. This is probably nothing. Let's see. Trust and Bionano highlighted Zach's bull and bear of the day. What the heck? Okay. Where's BNGO? What? That's it? That's horrible. That's absolutely horrible. What the heck is this? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. There's literally. Yeah, let's look at this. Let's see if they have anything here. Oh, come on. Come on. Well, anyways. Yeah, Nano Dimension does have a higher market cap than BNGO, yes. And that's insane that people value Nano Dimension higher than BNGO right now. That's insanity, I think. I think it is. I definitely think it is. Oh, no. We're getting rejected now. Oh, no. No, no, no. Why are BNGO holders happy with no momentum in barcoding? Well, yeah, we did just start a barcode. I don't know if I'm short term. I don't know if I'm happy. Okay, it's hard for me to be happy when Nano Dimension's valued at over $1 higher than Bionano share price, and market caps are higher. So it's like, I can't really be happy with that going on. But we're green, and I can't complain. So Wi-Fi puts what? Come on. Why media hit pieces, barcoding, manipulation? Somebody wants us to part with our BNGO shares. Hold tight. Yes. Yes, and interesting story. Newsweed, Mark, he told me this, and he did show me the text messages to prove it. Basically, a very high up person. It was actually Joe Tsai's partner, if you know, $11 billion net worth. His partner actually texted Mark and told him to sell all of his shares, essentially, on January. On January 26th is when the text messages started. So there is 100% proof for big top-up people wanting to suppress BNGO. 100%. And we're going to do a Zoom interview one of these days here, me and Mark, and we're going to I hope he'll actually show the text messages to, I hope he'll show his portfolio and the text messages and the proof on video so everybody can know it, right? I don't like, one reason why we started the channel is so we could actually be one of the only honest people on freaking YouTube that actually shows the portfolio. Like, literally, I don't understand why no one else does. I seriously will never understand. Unless these people are all frauds and have something to hide, I will never understand why no one shows the portfolio. It's the best thing you can do to build trust, because it's just authentic. I mean, come on. It's obvious. It's something obvious that everyone should do. Anyways, why did he tell him to sell? Because they want, Mark's theory is that someone wants to buy us out, but I don't think I think it's a bit, it is, Mark himself admits it's a bit of a long shot, but maybe. And it's just proof. We don't really know exactly why. We would never know exactly why he wants him to sell, right? He said, he gave his reasons, but, we don't know at the fundamental reason. Why would this guy have such an interest in Mark selling all his shares? Oh, no, come on, man. Really? We're getting the bearish flip here? Damn it. Well, at least it's only the 1 minute. Let's put on the 5 minutes so we can forget that we just got the bearish flip right there. Damn it. Just got the bearish flip on the 1 minute. Take it for what it is, right? Long term, midterm, doesn't matter, but Mark always thought I was a Dutch spy, so there's some color to his character, but he's a good fella. The text messages are from Chris Chin, I think his name was. He's Joe Tsai's partner. Which Joe Tsai is, let me just look him up for you. He's got $11 billion net worth. Okay. He's involved in Alibaba. He's a co-founder and executive chairman of Alibaba, right? That's like one of the biggest e-commerce companies. That is like one of, if not the biggest e-commerce companies there is, right? So, yeah. That's the one that we saw. Yeah, that's a horrible one. Yeah, thank you for letting me know that. Let me know, but that article's horrible. Oh yeah, we already looked at it. But yeah, this is the partner of this guy is the one. Yeah. Yeah, the shorts are insane. Yeah, the shorts are insane. Yeah, and we haven't actually got an update from Badform in a while. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Badform updates us so much. Thank you to Badform if he's watching right now. Thank you. That dude's awesome. But yeah, the short interest is up on the day. Why would he want the shares sold? Well, we don't know. We don't know exactly. There is Mark thinks it's because one company wants Bionano's price to go down so they can acquire them at an easier price. I don't know if that's very likely. Gosh damn. But what we do know for sure. What we do know for sure is what we do know for sure is that there's big top executives, billion-dollar, huge entrepreneurs with huge net worths, with a lot of money, a lot of connection, a lot of influence, a lot of power. They want Bionano to go down. We know there's proof of that. That's for sure. That's one thing that we know for sure. Dig into the side connection for a video for sure. Call him out if he's watching BNGO. You know there's more to it. Get some views and interest. Yeah, I want to. I don't. Mark did not explicitly give me permission to actually say the details and the names. I guess I kind of already have, but yeah. He said do what you want. So, but I don't want to do the whole detail. We'll do an interview, I think, with the whole story with the details. But yeah, I don't think. Here's the thing. The only problem is that I don't think it's very likely. Unfortunately, I don't think it is. But it's definitely interesting, and there definitely is some legit stuff to it. NNDM has an awful strategy, which is why I sold more than half my shares, bought their competitors who actually have a business. Mark already said this stuff. Mark already said this stuff in the interview yesterday. I edited that stuff out because it was very boring and it wasn't. I didn't think it was. Yeah, I edited yesterday's video. I edited. There was like I probably cut like 10 to 15 minutes of it out. Brandon, are we beginning to break out of a cup and handle on the daily? Yeah, I've seen this whole cup and handle. Not right. It depends on what kind of. It depends on where you actually draw the cup and handle. But I'm assuming you're drawing it about right here. This is the resistance, right? Right about here. Right about here. So here, let me zoom in for you so you can see what I'm talking about. So basically this. That's the resistance, right? And then here is your cup, something like this. Okay, let me try that again. That was horrible. Okay, let's do horizontal. Okay, last try. If I don't get it this try, I'm done. Okay, good enough. And then, something like this, right? That's just going to have to work. And then boom, boom. If that is actually what's going on here, yes, the price target would technically be, it would be right there. And then you take this thing, right? You take this, and you just move it to the breakout point, which would be right there. And we would be, what, 4, 9, price target of above $11 easily. Okay, probably like $12 price target. We would need the breakout of this resistance right here, pretty much. Yeah. Where's the eraser at? Okay, there. Yeah, so we would need to break out of this level right here. And we got a ways to go. We need to hit like 740 to break that. Oh, NNDM again. Why is this happening? Why? It makes me happy for the nano dimension people. I know there's some of those in here, but it's just so. This is good company, but it's fine. I'm happy for the nano dimension people. Look at the volume spike in there. Look at that. Let's see if there's any large orders that we can find if we scroll down. No. Okay, interesting. Weird. What? Why? Why is this going up? There's no reason why this should be going up. Whatever. It's fine. I'm happy for the nano dimension people here. It's just, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm jealous because at the end of the day, Bionano being valued at less than $1 below, more than $1 below what nano dimension is, it's just, it hurts me. Okay, it hurts me that people really think nano dimension is valued more than BNGO. It does. It really does. But, it is what it is. It is what it is, Man, 8% of the green right now. What the hell? I bet Richard Allen is happy, right? What if they hit 20 and we still at 7? Well, that sucks then if that happens. Fair nano dimension price is easily lower than what BNGO's price is. Okay, I don't know enough about nano dimension to tell you what the fair price is, but I know enough about BNGO and nano dimension to tell you that BNGO should be valued at a higher price right now, even. Okay, so I don't think you can make an argument otherwise against that. And I'm not going to tell you why, because it's literally you guys. I think you guys hate the rant that I give you on the fundamental value Bionano, because I do it so many times. So I'll leave that one. So yeah, I'll leave it there. NNDM going to 9. Yeah, maybe 7% in the green right now. Let's see how overextended you are, if at all. Not really. Not really. On the 4-hour that you are. Much more exciting than BNGO, right? Oh man, Kathy would if she could might have bought some NNDM, just bought some NNDM shares. Yeah, she maybe did. Yeah, I hate NNDM. We can make bear DD and post on Reddit. I hate they steal from BNGO. Yeah, do it. I mean, don't do it. Don't. If you're gonna be a bear on something, you better have a damn good reason, right? Trying to bankrupt shit is never a good idea. Trying to do your part in bankrupting shit is never a good idea. But well, not usually a good idea. But if it's a legit reason, yeah, you know, if you're trying to help people from losing money, yeah, do it. Do it. If you actually understand the company enough, yeah, do some bear DD if it's actually legit. Okay, please don't do bear DD just for the sake of getting BNGO more exposure. No, we're not that corrupt. Come on, man. Come on. It better be good reasons and it better be legit, okay? NNDM is trendier and easier to conceptualize than BNGO. BNGO is more difficult to understand. Yes, but BNGO is... Nano Dimension is fine, okay? This thing used to be trendy. I mean, this thing really was never... Yes, it's always had a fairly good Reddit crowd, but I've never seen any NNDM posts. I don't really see many at all other than on the NNDM subreddit. This thing had hype and interest and trendiness on the way up, okay? It hasn't had hype and interest in a long time, and I guess maybe now it's getting some of that back. But what I mean to say, one thing that I think is true is that BNGO's base, BNGO's core base, right, the retail investors like us, right, communities like this community, and then the Discord and the BNGO subreddit, our communities are more, I don't know, they're more loyal and they're more knowledgeable, I think. I would say about BNGO, but it's definitely harder to understand, yes. My boss heard me talking about BNGO at work, did his DD, and bought 15K shares at 7:30. Whoa, 50. Wait, really? Did he show you that, or did he just say that? Holy, 15,000? Your boss bought 15,000 shares. What? That's awesome. Sub, you're jealous hating on NNDM. Hey, I have nothing against the company. I do have one thing against the company. It's that, you know, people think it's valued higher in BNGO. That's a problem in my book, okay? Y'all make your own opinions. If you want to hate me for thinking that, whatever, man. Think what you want. Get offended if you want. I don't give a shit, but yeah. But yeah, I definitely am a little bit jealous, yeah. Definitely am. I mean, it's just it's painful for me to see people trying to value Nano Dimension higher in BNGO. It makes no sense in my mind, but whatever. Make your own opinion. I could be wrong, right? I could be way wrong, man. Easily. If we were guaranteed 50x by 2030, I would be fine putting all my money into it and never looking at my brokerage account again. I mean, that's what the analysts are saying. 50x essentially, yeah, basically, yeah. We're guaranteed 12x by the analysts' projections essentially, and probably way more. Okay, that's extremely conservative by 2025. Guaranteed per the analysts' revenue projections, right? All right. Maybe Nano stole the nozzle. That's why they're taking off. BNGO is it's very easy to understand when you talk about price and speed versus competition. I'm just like Aaron. That's how I decided to get into. Yeah. Yeah, you see, I mean, it's not that hard. I mean, really, okay, none of us, okay, I mean, I always say, let's be honest, you know, none of us understand everything about the freaking translocations and deletions and all the variant types and how you actually read them and the shit that the esoteric crap, okay? But what we do understand is this, okay? The specs of the Sapphire and the advantages and disadvantages over it. There's nothing in the world that does what Bionano does and what it does, right? Which being greater than 500 base pair detection. Okay, simple as it gets. Nothing else does it like we do. And we've got other variant types detection on the way. Our cost per genome is going way down by 2023. 5 large clinical studies. We've got nano nozzle, Sapphire 2.0, CLI lab, prenatal market penetration, LOH detection coming, SNV detection coming. So it's like, you know, well, okay, I guess maybe. Okay, yeah, this is TBD. Technically, quote, The chief of scientific affairs at Bionano said in the presentation a few months ago they were working on this. Okay, they're currently working on LOA's detection right now, and then SMV detection. That's the one that the nanonuts may be able to do. Quote possibly by the CEO essentially. So, yeah, yeah, man. When you understand that stuff, you know, it's like, well, it's a no-brainer, man. This is freaking easy. This is an easy long-term buy. Anything under 10 is a steal. Easy, okay? Whale in the house, long, 167,000 shares, most bought in early January. Legend. Phil, we've got a whale. We've got a whale. If you are a whale, please post your portfolio in the Discord so we know you're legit. And then we'll all believe you even more like this guy did, okay? Technically, these could be fake, but, I mean, this is the best as far as proof that we're going to get, right? So, you know. Yeah. Microvision is not doing well. Mara's not doing well. Is Bitcoin starting to go down a little bit? Oh, no. Oh, no, it is. It is. No, Bitcoin, stop it. Stop it. You're scaring me. Not really. I'm willing to hold Mara for a while, honestly. I don't think Mara's going to see, what is it, 24 again. Let's see. Where did I get into this at? Okay. You see, guys, this is okay. I don't do this very often, okay? I don't mean to brag here, but I don't time the dip this perfectly usually, okay? Yesterday was an odd occurrence where we actually timed the dip literally perfectly, and now I wish I bought more. I wish I bought more shares now because we're up 12% and I only have 3 shares. But it is what it is. Hey, you cannot complain when you're in the green, though, all right? I don't mean to complain. 724. I mean, at least we're green, right? At least we're green. We should skyrocket on Friday after hours, Russell. Yeah, at the market close. Yeah, we should. Well, I don't know about if we should skyrocket. I mean, everybody already knows about it. But yeah, they are going to be buying shares. Yes, and there is going to be more exposure and publicity gained through the Russell inclusion than people realize, I think. So yeah. All right. Listen, we need to sabotage NNDM. We were at war and we were losing. Bro, you're trolling. Mixing score. I can tell you're a troll at this point. Okay, come on. We're not at war with NNDM. We're at war with the manipulators. You should know that, my friend. Would that take effect on Monday, though? Well, no. Apparently, it's going to go into effect at the market close on Friday, and then apparently it's going to be effective on Monday, on the 28th. So I'm a little bit confused there, but to my understanding, they should be buying shares at the market close. And then, I don't know, maybe they'll show up in the funds on Monday. I'm not exactly sure because it's weird. So the wording is weird. It's very weird. Here, let me go to the word. Well, you know what? I already showed you the wording like 5 times. I'll show you the wording on Thursday for sure right before, right? Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday. 1.61% right now, 725. Bullish for life. Right. They buy Friday, they show up in indexes Monday. We will get nice ass move if people underestimate the power of indexes. Yeah. And I think people are underestimating the amount of funds that track the Russell 3000. That's one thing that I think people are missing. Why has the volume been butt cheeks this week? Because of the lack of communities like this one. And because of we did get big news. I mean, we got not big news like the new CBO, but we did get, we got 2 new presentations announced. And we got PLA codes news. So, I would consider that pretty big news. What about you? Tesla finally moving. 4%. There you go. 4%. Look at that candle. That's the biggest day you've had in a while. Wow. Volatility. Tesla doesn't have much volatility anymore. I remember the days when this thing would literally just go up 5%, 1%, 2% every day. People thought it was the greatest thing in the world, and they still do. But it's fine. I'm not saying I'm bearish, but it's just how it is. When stuff is going up, straight up, everyone loves it. When stuff's going down, they hate it. That's as simple as it gets. This is insane. $42. Now you're at $600. And that was what? This was last year. This is at 2019. Man, that's insanity, man. Gosh, are we barcoded still? Beginning of the S curve on Tesla. Don't those Russell 3000 buys that happen over the period between announcement date and actual inclusion date? The buying doesn't happen all at one day, doesn't it? Well, apparently apparently the buying is gonna happen at the close of March 25th. So I'm not exactly sure. Here, let me go to it. Let me read it again to make sure I'm not mistaken here. It's gonna be in effect on the close of June 25th. Yeah. Newly reconstituted indices take effect after the market close on June 25th. I assume that means they're going to be buying after the market close on June 25th then. 725. Today's price predictions for BNGO, price predictions for the oh man, honestly, I got to be careful with these. I'll tell you what, high growth does well today. I'll say this. I think we're going to close much better than we're at right now, but I could be totally wrong, and you have to consider this week, although my trades, our live trades this week have actually gone pretty well, especially with more on AMC so far. I guess AMC changes every second. This thing is up 5% and down 5% every second, but our trade has been well, but my BNGO predictions this week have not been very good. Yeah, so... But yeah, I still do think there's a good chance that we end the day much higher than 725. But who knows? Okay, we could end the day red. All right, seriously, we could if high growth and I only think we're going to do better than we are right now if high growth continues doing relatively well. Okay, it needs to stay where it is or do better. So we need a good earnings report to get more believers in the stock. Don't like the analysts. Don't like that the analysts took down their numbers for the quarter though. Hope they blow out the initial estimates. I hope they do. I think it's time. I think we're going to get a blowout earnings. I think we're going to get a blowout earnings report one of these times. I don't know when, though. The estimate is, okay, 4 cents in the hole. All right. What do you mean they took down their estimates? Did they have a higher estimate for 3.608? Did they have a higher estimate than 3.608 initially? I don't recall them taking it down. But then again, I haven't been looking at this for months. But are we seriously just gonna barco the whole day? Nano Dimension is still up almost 8%. I mean, this is insanity. Wow. I mean, it's just it hurts me. It hurts me. San Diego, I'm going to host a picnic at their headquarters. All right, done. What I want to do is I want to set up the freaking interview with the management, not the CEO, right? Newsweek told me the other day, he said, well, I don't think you should do that because, the CEO needs time to run the company. And I hear that. So instead, I actually want to do just an interview with some employee, whatever it is. I want to talk to an employee of Bionano. I'm not trying to get inside information. I just want to know some stuff about the CLI lab, right? It's just... that's all I want to know. I want to know about the name. I want to know about the pat. Also, we need to hire a pat. We need to get someone. Does anybody in the chat? There's got to be somebody that watches the videos that is an expert in either one or two of the, or both of these things that I'm about to say. Number one, optical genome mapping and sequencing and nanonozzle jargon, and number two, SEC jargon and patent jargon. Is there anyone here that actually understands that stuff? Like, is an expert on them? Because I've read the patents. I have a basic understanding, but it's complicated shit, and I want someone to actually tell me the worth of this and tell me if it means what I think it means. They had higher estimates for the revenue for the second quarter, but after the first quarter earnings, they took down the quarterly and yearly revenue estimates. Initially, it was over $18 million for the year. What? Wait, for what chart? For Simply Wall Street, I think it's been $16 million forever, and then for Chartmill, I guess for 2021, it's $16 million right now. Brandon, I'm going to law school for patents. Hit me up then. All right, I definitely will. I don't understand. I'm a noob. Sorry. Well, at least you're honest, my friend. That's awesome. CEO needs to run it better. I'd say he's running it pretty well. At the end of the day, a lot of people say, I wish the CEO was more hands-on. I wish the CEO did more. At the end of the day, that's a fine point. Oh, wow, we're finally breaking out of the just straight barcoding. We'll see. Hopefully, we're breaking out of 728. Hopefully. But what was I going to say? At the end of the day, whatever the CEO says or doesn't say now, at the end of the day, I just want him to run the company. Okay, I want him to develop the company. I want him to get the company to do what we want it to do. So the revenue comes in. I'm happy with what the CEO is doing. Every CEO does it differently, right? Some of them are hands-on. Some of them let the shareholders know every day. You should be holding. You should be buying. Whatever. Our CEO is not that much like that. Oh yes, 720. Yes, break the previous high, and then we can actually get some volume coming in and some actual price action, not just barcoding. Please. Oh man. My cousin's best friend's uncle's husband. Does barcoding mess with technical analysis signals? Not necessarily, not really. I mean, it makes it. There's no price action like chart patterns to dissect. What the hell? All right, I'm getting pissed off now. Who is selling right now? I'm getting pissed off because we just went down like 2 cents right there because there's literally a couple red orders coming in. Although we get a 20,000 share buy at 726 and we don't do anything. It's like, when is the buy side imbalance going to fucking stop? Long term, short term, long term and mid term, it doesn't matter, of course, but it's just so frustrating. It makes 0 sense unless there's manipulation going on. Imagine what Hallman went through when he had no CMO, CFO, CBO, CCO, money in the bank. Talk about diamond hands. Yeah, that guy has gone through a lot as far as the company. Yes, true. Eric has diamond bowls. Diamond bowls, diamond hands, it's all you need. BNGO do a sneak attack, then NNDM fall back down. Dude, we're not starting. Hey, guys, let me be clear. I don't want to start a war with NNDM people. No. I like NNDM. We used to cover NNDM all the time. Now we don't anymore. But it is horrible that Nano Dimension's value higher than BNGO. It is horrible. But, it is what it is. And I wish them well. Stock war. I'm too tired right now. I got to wake up. I'm too tired right now. Hold on. Let me read some more comments here. 250 shares, nice. If BNGO reaches 500, I will fly to America to join the party. 500? All right, I hope it happens. How low does TRCH have to go for a good entry? Anyone have a good opinion? That's a good question. Oh, it's down 25% right now. Ooh, baby. Well, your most auspicious entry would be if it went down to $4. That would be very auspicious. Let me look at the 4 hourly, though. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, you could go for TRCH could drop further, looks like. Let me see here. Okay, no, not really. Not that much. Relatively, it can't go that much. Yeah, this is why I actually wanted to buy 1 share of this earlier, but I wanted to go a little bit lower. Well, I want to do a day trade on this, but I actually don't know anything about the company at all, so I don't like doing trades on companies that I don't know anything about. So, and I also looked on Wall Street Bets. I didn't find any TRCH posts, so I did not like that. But yeah, this is not a bad buy right now, actually. I mean, okay, the last time you were this oversold, okay, listen to me. The last time you were this oversold in the 4 hourly was when you're at $1. Okay, you are now oversold in the stochastic indicator. If you look at the RSI, I bet it's the exact same thing. Okay, look at this. Well, okay, it's not the exact same. It essentially is. Okay, you're at 38. You're pretty oversold. If you look at the daily, you're not looking as good, but you're not looking bad either. Okay, you're not looking that bad. So, yeah. And this is the exact same. And the 4 hourly, you guys know the 4 hourly and the daily, those are my 2 favorite time frames. And for good reason. Okay, this is the exact same trade idea, trade thing that we did on Mara yesterday. And, we're up like 10%, or we were up like 15% at highs, I think. But I'm not selling because I'm holding right now. But anyways, that's it. The 4 hourly stochastic indicator is oversold. That's it. So 728, yes. Yes, 728. Okay, yes, we hit 729, yes. 729. We are mirroring AMC's chart again, are we? Yeah, in a way. Yeah, definitely. I see what you mean. Yeah. 729, yes. Please, can we get something that's anything but barcoding? Anything but barcoding, man. IVR day trade about to break out. Are you sure? All right, IVR, let's check it out. IVR. Let's do a day trade. I need it. Look how much buying power I have for a day trade. Guys, look how much day trade buying power I have. I can make or lose a lot of money on a day trade, which I need to do. I need to do that trade if there's something auspicious, but I'm very picky on my day. If I'm actually going to use, if I'm actually going to do a real day trade, I'm very picky. It has to be a very nice setup. I'm very picky like that. Oh my. Look at that sell off. $18 all the way down to 1. Whew. Man, this is a COVID one. Let me look at the 4 hourly. I don't like the setup trend lines. It's not very clear. I don't like it because it's not very clear. You don't have a clear. I mean, I guess you could say maybe right there. I don't like that very much, though. Let me look at the indicators. Yeah, 4 hourly. You've already started the run up on the 4 hourly. You don't have a ton of. I mean, you have plenty of room to go, but it's like it's just not extremely light. It would be more likely. The upside would be more if you were oversold here, and you're just not at all. On the daily, you're about neutral. Yeah, I don't. Boomstick. I'm not really sure. Are you? Am I missing something that you're seeing here? Okay, 4 hourly. You just got some buy signals, but you know that's. Bull flag. Yeah. It's just, you know, I don't know. I mean, yeah, you have a clear descending resistance, kind of, but you know, it's not a picture perfect setup. I would say. Imagine if Eric gives BNGO 90% dividend. What? What? Day trade buying power, is that a margin account thing? Yes, it is. Brandon, buy a short-term BNGO call for the stream. Peer pressure. Here we go, all in. I actually do want to buy that, and I actually wanted to buy that. Oh, 7:30 right now. Yes, 7:30. I'm missing. The only time we move is when I'm looking at another stock. I'll look at IVR. Boomstick IVR. It looks okay. I don't love the setup. It looks all right though. It looks all right. Been on IVR since 240. Love them long term. Are they good? Are they good? IVR is an excellent investment. Dividends going up every quarter. Is it a recovery stock? What is it? Hate to be a snitch, but Stephen Roberts is always coming in here pumping oxygen. I think we need to talk about Stephen. A snark attack? Bro, what does that even mean? IVR is auspicious, huh? I think you should do SENS as well. Yeah, tell you what, don't let me forget. Don't let me forget. We'll try to do, at the very least, we'll do more day trades and swing trades, play money trades, right? You guys know the one share trades we do all the time, right? Morrow, we did 3 shares yesterday. AMC, we did a share like 2 days ago, I think. We can hopefully do like a real day trade, like actually having money, actually putting money in a day trade, right? I don't do day trades very often. I haven't done them in a long while. Like with actual money, yeah, real day trades, Brandon, and I'm in. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. Y'all are gonna hate me for this. If it's gonna be real money for day trades, I only take shit that's like extremely likely. I'm not. You guys know. I mean, I am a trader. Okay, at the end of the day, I'm more of a long-term hodler at this point. I don't know what the hell I am. Okay, my investing strategy changes pretty much every couple weeks. Okay, sometimes I'm short-term trading, sometimes I'm long-term hodl. Right? It's essentially, I don't know. Anyways, it may be, if I'm gonna do a real day trade, it's gonna have to be a once a month kind of opportunity, once a week opportunity. So don't expect me, if we do this tomorrow or rest of the week or even today, don't expect me to be dropping like thousands of dollars on day trades every day, because it has to be extremely, extremely likely to actually work. BNGO A+ end of week. I have a crystal ball, 100% guaranteed. What the heck? Okay. Don't be a gambler. 5 minute looks like a nice cup. Yes, new high. Yes, 732. Yes. Yeah, it looks like we are kind of getting a cup right here. God, what? This selling makes me want to freaking kill somebody. Who is selling these shares? Oh, I'm sorry. It doesn't matter. It doesn't long term, midterm. It doesn't matter. I know, but it's just maddening. NNDM is up 7% today, and Bionano cannot even go up to freaking 740. It's like, come on. Who is selling right now? It's the damn manipulators in the shorts, man. It's the damn manipulators in the shorts. 731. Day trading is not a complete game. I mean, at the end of the day, technically speaking, all investing is gambling because you're taking a risk and it's, you don't know what's going to happen. But you have to, in life, even if you're one of the people that works, and a lot of you work a normal full-time job, there's still risk in everything you do. You got to take risks to make money. So I don't like the whole gambling thing. But yeah, Brandon, buy a July 16 $9 call with me. Oh, that's tempting. But we're already up 2.5% right now. I can't right now. The only reason why I'm not buying more BNGO shares and options right now, oh man, I need to get more into options game, don't I? I need to do some options with y'all. We will do that if one of two things happen. Number one, Bionano goes down to like $6 or lower than my cost average. Okay, if the bear case happens, if inflation crashes the market, if the worst case happens, I will absolutely I will have probably several thousand more shares and way more options, hopefully. Hopefully. And then if the bull case happens and Bionano does not do that, right, which is, I would say it's more likely that Bionano never sees $5 or $6 again. It's more likely that it never happens. But if that does happen, if we never see $5 and $4 again and 6, then I will I won't add as many, but I'll still add some and do some options. I still will. Yeah, I still will. All right. At least buy an $8 call for the Russell inclusion. Oh, man. Brand has said on record he hates oxygen, so why do you keep coming here pumping it? I have not said I hate oxygen. I don't know enough about the company to say that. I hope I didn't say that. I did not say that, my friend. That's bull. Keyboard warrior always has to step outside, yet doesn't post. What the hell is going on with the cat fighting in the freaking we got people talking about fighting in the chat. What the heck is going on? Yeah, I don't understand. 779 right now, 2% in the green. Narrowing dimensions up 6.5%. Yeah, as far as day trade, let me start looking for day trades. And what I actually do, and guys, this please don't do what I do, okay? When I used to do day trades every few days, what I used to do before I started the YouTube, I used to look for stocks that have are like a 4x margin. This is please hear me out before you assume the worst, okay? I used to look for stocks with 4x day trading margin. I used to day trade them, and this is one that I used to day trade. Pinterest. This one, last I checked, I haven't checked this in a while, but this one is you're able to. Let's see here. 240. Well, how much money is that? 240. Yeah. Okay. You see, I can buy $17,000 worth of this right now, and that's all my day trade buying power. You see, this is the one. This is one of them that I actually like to day trade. JMIA is one I used to day trade. It has to be safe. Here's the thing with me: when I day trade stuff, it has to be companies that I'm actually good with, right? It can't just be some shit that I don't know about, right? Like that's why I'm hesitant to invest in TRCH right now, right? I actually kind of like the setup right now. Okay, I do like the setup, to be honest with you. The 4-hourly stochastic indicator, it doesn't get much better than this. Okay, it really doesn't. When you're at 4 on the K line, that almost never happens. Okay, just look in the stock's history. Okay, you only hit the K line at one on the stochastic indicator once in May, and you have not done it again since before May. Okay, so that's it. Only one other time since May. So that just shows you why it's an investing an auspicious opportunity, maybe. But don't know anything about the company. So that's just how I am, man. I'm not one of those people that can just trade shit without knowing about the company. No, heck no, I can't do that. Real Roofers speaking the truth, Steve. What the heck is going? MMAT, yeah. Apparently they're merging into MMAT. Is that what it is? Or they're acquiring them or something? What is it? Oh, Real Roofers is here. Mark the Legend is here. Mark is here. Mark, what's up, my friend? How you doing? I love that. Thank you so much for doing that interview again, my friend. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oxygen is a fraud. I own puts, and yes, I personally talked with the CFO. They pulled a trick. Cody Brett, that's super funny. $17,000 Pinterest YOLO. Oh man, let's do that. Would make for a good Wall Street Bets post, wouldn't it? Bro, this is violent aggression. Come on, man, come through. What the hell is going on, man? Yeah, somebody tell me what the deal is with TRCH. Yeah, let's just chill out in there, man. It's because it's merging. BNGO 728 right now. 728. We got a BIOL 13K shares at 728, my friends. Watch the entire interview. It was done nicely. Great work, Quincer. Thank you so much. And we're gonna do another one. There's gonna be an even better quality interview with me and Mark. I hope, if Mark is down for this. He said, I think yesterday he said he was down for it. An interview, a Zoom interview, and I want to talk about the actual FuelGen genetics and what happened there, if he's okay with it. What's up, Mark? And go over the stuff and go over who's actually contacted Mark about, and with maybe some connections with FuelGen maybe. So, bro, stop with the. Oh my gosh, Brandon Steven just. All right, I'm just gonna try to keep it focused on stocks. Let me look at the broader markets here. All right. Okay, Russell's doing pretty well. Holding. Oh, not the Russell. The Nasdaq's doing pretty well. It's holding above. I guess it went for a quick. Hold on. Let me look at this. Hold on. Okay, it looks like it peaked. It looks like so far. Okay, good. Good. We need to hold us any level. Looks like we're kind of breaking it right now, though. No. No, I want to grab the... No, this. Yes. Maybe something like that. Yeah, that might be one. Yeah, that probably is a support, maybe. Intraday support there, maybe. All right. The 1 million shareholder doesn't really seem like he know about BNGO that deeply. No offense. Well, he's good. Well, he knows about it. He knows a good amount about it, man. I'll tell you what. The best thing about Mark is that he's actually one cool thing, not the best thing. The one cool thing is that he's actually gone to the freaking headquarters. I wish I had been to the headquarters and actually knew about it. Check short interest. Bad form, unfortunately, has not updated us in a while, but I can look at the short share availability. That's the next best that we got, although it's usually not that good because they are not the best as far as this usually. Okay, so they're showing 150,000. Short borrow fee rate just increased to 4% again. That's insane. Very high short borrow fee rate compared to historically for Bionano. Yeah, awesome, Mark, though. I want to do another interview with you, Mark. Awesome. Hell yeah, man. Everybody go watch that interview. If you don't know what's going on right now, Mark is literally, he owns 1 million BNGO shares. 1 million, you heard that right. The link to the interview that we had with him yesterday, we did it yesterday. It's linked in the pinned comment, and just go to the channel. You'll find it pretty easily. Who's going to own all the data from the Sapphire testing? Check short interest. Why did my average go up? I haven't. What the? All right. I'm at 4,300 units at 7:30. Please advise. Please advise. This is not financial advice, my friend. It just depends on your risk tolerance and goals, my friend. I'm sorry. I know that's a boring answer, but it just does. It just does. I'm sorry, but Nando mentioned 6%. I would say this. Here, I'll say this. Understand the company. Do your research. Do your due diligence. You'll understand way more. You'll have the answer to yourself. Friendly advice. Yeah, that's your friendly advice. Last quick swing I'll throw out is BBIG. Merger being confirmed tomorrow and merger July 15th. Merger's being confirmed tomorrow? How do you know that? What? Is that common knowledge? IVR trying to move right now. Well, you know what? Here, let me just 4,300 units at 7:30. Did you just buy those? If you don't mind me asking, did you just buy those or what? Is there a price chart where you will sell a portion of your shares? Just curious. The only way I'll sell my shares anytime soon is if it's like a life-changing. No, probably not. Honestly, no. I mean, there's not many circumstances that would make me sell my shares. No. But Mark is gonna have to sell. He said he's gonna sell likely 100,000 shares this year in December, I guess. So, but he's still gonna be a long-term hodler. He's still gonna own, he's still gonna own 900,000 shares. So. What are you guys talking about? God, why is there so much FUD today in the chat? Or not FUD, but just false info. I don't understand. 728 right now, up 2%. The markets are doing nothing. Is it going to be another boring day? I think it is. Let's look at trade ideas. Let's look at day trade, YOLO trade ideas, right? Pinterest 17,000 in on the day trade, right? Oh man, plug power and fuel cell. These two have gotten killed. How many people have gotten killed in fuel cell, man? Dude, I'm telling you, I don't have anything against the clean energy stuff, but fuel cell and plug, if you're gonna invest in a technology and an energy as weird as this, I mean, you better know what the hell. You better know that it's awesome, because this stuff, most of the people investing in this shit don't understand what it's going on here. It's similar to Bionano, right? Most people, well, Bionano, this is even harder to understand than optical genome mapping, probably, because it's easy to understand why optical genome mapping is better than the competition. This, on the other hand, there's so many factors that the company won't tell you with the clean energy stuff, so it's like, it's harder to say. But anyways, I just remember I was just gonna say so many people were holding this at like $20. Literally, they were just holding, saying, "Nope, it's a good long-term investment." Nope. Is there any? Do we have any long-term fuel cell or plug power people? Fuel cell, plug power got killed as well. It got killed. I mean, it's still doing great, right? You know, it was 90 cents not too long ago, man. That's insane. 12 cents not too long ago. Now it's freaking $32. God, it's insanity, man. It's insanity. DraftKings is another one. Yeah, DraftKings is another day trade one. Yeah, this is a good day trade opportunity here. Not necessarily right now, but this is one that I do like to day trade. All right, I own fuel cells 77 cents. Jeez. Yes, short interest. Okay, we got that update. Thank you, Batform. Thank you, my friend Legend. Short interest increased again on the day, up 1.42%. Last we traded, it was up 1.21%. Estimated short interest now is 51.38 million shares sold short, not yet covered. Almost 20% of the free float currently sold short, not yet covered. Doesn't matter if we're up, sideways, barcoding, manipulated. It doesn't matter. The shorts are increasing their shares. This is what's going to get them screwed and instigate the squeeze one of these days if my fundamental analysis of the company is even in the same ballpark of the truth. Lucky hat. It's lucky hat time. Here we go. We're about to pump. Here we go. Lucky hat. Let's go. Bulls go up. R2. We need to be going up, not down. There we go. Let's go. Now we need to go up. Go up. I recommend fuel cell. Wow, you recommend fuel cell? I'm surprised. What's the level we need to hold for today? Why would you short something revolutionary? They don't know. They don't know why they're shorting. They don't understand. Okay, DraftKings and Fubo, tough to say since sports viewership is declining yearly. May have good short-term trades, but more risky for long-term holds. Oh yeah, no. I'm talking about day trading. No. If you're responding to me, yeah, DraftKings, Pinterest, JMIA. Though I like to if we do day trades, right? Because we got a ton of day trade buying power. If we do day trades, that's probably what we'll do. Yeah, or well, swing trades we can't technically do that, but yeah, we need to hold. That's a great question. What level do we need to hold for BNGO today? Well, it would be nice if we could hold. What is it? 713. 713 is the level that we would be nice. That it would be nice to hold today. And I really like that we got a hammer candle, we got a doji, and now we're finally going up, right? We got this is probably going to be just there's not really a name for that hammer. You can't not really a name for this candle right now, but yeah, I love that we're holding above the 21 SMA. Okay, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, are you still collabing with Deo? No, I guess not, because I texted him I sent him a Twitter message. I sent him a message on Twitter asking him when he wanted to collab, and he still has not responded. Yeah, so, yep. My current day trade is TIGR. I've heard of that one. Yeah, sports viewership is not something that I'm very bullish on as far as the numbers. I can't lie, I bought 30K BNGO after watching your vids. What, 30K? Wait, 30K dollar, 30K value worth of shares or shares? That's awesome. I hope you understand what you're doing, but I'm glad. I'm glad though. Not to believe I saw this back in 2003. If BNGO price holds, where will it rise at the end of the day from covering? Well, if the shorts were to cover, I'll just say this. If the shorts were to cover, we're looking at, 20%, almost 20% of the shares outstanding. Okay, I know it's free float. The free float is essentially, the float is basically almost the exact same number of the shares outstanding in Bionano's case, okay? We're looking at 50 million shares out of 278 million, okay? That is, okay, 50 million times 7. All right, you're looking at hundreds of millions of dollars being covered if they were to cover. I mean, okay, 20%, 50%, those numbers are not out of the question. I think those numbers are realistic if a real short squeeze were to happen. Now, am I saying that's going to happen today? No, but just for some perspective as to what that's going to do for the stop price, there you go. NNDM was pretty good today. Took 150 profits since I only bought 200 shares yesterday. My baby BNGO is just chilling right now. Hope we see 8 again this week. I'm long on BNGO. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Right. Aaron Dennis, the legendary man himself. I bought in at 13 in February at the start of the fall. I've invested all my extra money ever since. Average now 7.6 USD. That's not a bad average. It's not a bad average at all. So do you think that this cup and handle is realistic? Not really. I mean, no. When you have a cup and handle that's this small on the 1 minute chart, we already even as I'm talking, we're dumping and we're oh my god, we're free falling. Well, not free falling. We're cooling down, but yeah, no. The handle is too long and the handle went way too low. So no, I don't think this is a realistic cup and handle in the intraday time frame. No, not at all. Just trying to be realistic. Are you kidding me? Why the hell? Oh my god, everything is dumping, it looks like. Oh no. Oh, we got dumpage, boys. Nasdaq's free falling. Everything's free falling right now, and I don't think we have any economic counter events. What the hell? Dang it, why is there always a Fed president talking every freaking day? How many of them do they need? Gosh, dang it. We got a ton of crap coming up. Today we've got federal government Michelle Bowman speaking on community development. And then we got another Fed president speaking. Gosh, damn, I'm too tired. Wake up, Brandon. All right, here we go. I'm woken up now. NNDM and Oxygen will get delisted for sure. BNGO easy $20 end of year. NNDM getting delisted? I don't know about NNDM getting delisted. I don't know about that. But I will tell you this. Bionano should definitely be valued more. I'll tell you that. Gosh dang it. We're free falling. Everything in the market is free falling right now. Everything. Everything's free falling. Damn it. Of course, long-term, mid-term, it doesn't matter. Yes, of course, of course. SPY is holding on, though. What the heck? Okay, it looks like, never mind, not everything. It looks like just tech and high growth is free falling. Damn, man. Do I have to sell my Oxygen because you don't like the company, or do I get my own opinion? Bro, come on. I hope you're joking. Okay, yeah, that's the troll. Stephen Roberts is the troll. Okay, I thought that was somebody real telling me that. Okay, no, yeah, to clarify for everyone that's new here, wondering if I'm giving you strong opinions on companies I don't know about, I'm not. I've not said if I'm I've never really said if I'm bullish or bearish on Oxygen because I don't have an opinion. I don't know. I haven't done hours of research on the company. I know a lot of people like to give their opinions on the company without knowing about it. I don't do that. All right. Oh my gosh. 719. Wow, we've got selling pressure. Finish watching Meet and Greet, get a girlfriend. All right, I will do. Will do for you, my friend, just for you. Well, I can't promise you. That'll happen, but I'll try. How about that? Yeah, don't reply to Stephen Roberts. He's unstable. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that shit. Yeah. Get a girlfriend. Hey guys, I like to keep I like to spend my money where I want to, so getting a girlfriend is like, taking this money, into restaurants and clothes. No, I'm kidding. I'm messing, but girlfriend leaps. Hey Brandon, did the thought ever cross your mind that Wall Street bets joined together to short BNGO after your relentless efforts to post BNGO for a short squeeze? Just a thought. No, there's no way. No. I mean, I guess there is a way, but unlikely. Very unlikely, I think, in my opinion. It's okay with me. My goal is 15K shares by end of year. The lower we can get during the better. Yeah, honestly. Yeah. My goal is 10K shares by end of year, which is a little bit optimistic. I mean, very, very much optimistic. Puts on girlfriend. Yeah, sure. Yeah, honestly, you might want to buy some puts on the girlfriend. Yeah. With BNGO falling, how will this affect the trout population? I don't know. You tell me. Can gamble in other games. Okay, right. 10x Genomics making a bid for BNGO. Certainly possible. Certainly possible. Actually, I don't know their cash, so I shouldn't say that. I don't know for sure. 723, we're kind of getting a bounce now. Nano's getting killed, still free falling. Microvision, same thing. Damn. This is rough. Hopefully, this is just a flash crash. I hope we're not going to get another Carnage day here. We definitely could get one, though. I don't think it should be, though. Today should be a bounce day. I mean, that is, even if we end the day up 1%, it still is a bounce day, right? It still is. So, Brandon, red day or green day? You always make me chuckle. Red day or green day? The $1 million question. Green day is what my money's on. Green day is what my money is on, my friends. But I kind of want it to go red so I can actually pick up a call, right? Because I kind of feel like a pussy for not getting a call yesterday. But the only reason why I'm not, and I have so much buying power now, it's like, well, you know, Brandon, I don't have many excuses at this point. I don't have many excuses at this point not to buy BNGO if we continue to dip. But except this is my only excuse is this. Okay, the broader market's correct, and they send Bionano way down, and that's the thing that I'm not scared about BNGO very much. Okay, of course there's risk with BNGO, but not as much as the market's risk. The high growth in the broader markets, those things can send Bionano down to $6 again. And until I see something in the economy and government that I am not so scared about, I'm not gonna load the boat. Well, I already have loaded the boat. It's already 100% of the portfolio, but I'm not going to add the rest of the buying power in until that happens, or until Bionano dies and goes down to $4 or whatever. So if that happens, it probably won't, but yeah. I'm on a cash counter to avoid the PDT rule. Always keeping settled cash at least 2K. Haven't made a good decision. Anyone here have a cash count? If you day trade a lot, I don't really have to worry. I don't day trade that much, so the PDT rule is not that. It's not that much of a concern for me, but yeah. Which comes first, haircut or girlfriend? I don't know, because both are unlikely to happen. Girlfriend's just as unlikely as me cutting the hair, because the only way I'll get a haircut is if BNGO hits all-time highs. And although I think that will happen by end of year, that could be, it could be months, could be years. Okay, I don't think it's going to, but it could be, right? So. I don't know. Brandon, any BNGO calls? I'll tell you what, to be honest with you, I'm liking now. I haven't looked at the implied volatility here. Well, I guess now I am, but I'll tell you what, I do like the $8 strike. The $8 and $9 strike for July 16th. Those are not looking too bad, right? And the $9 one right now is down 8% on the day. Maybe that one is something worth considering. That may be what I would be doing. Yeah, you got good volume on all of them. It's a risky one, obviously. Okay, options is a risky game. Okay, trust me, options is a damn risky game. So know what you're doing, please. BNGO all-time highs gets haircut, which brings in girlfriend. No, man. No. Oh, what the heck? Oh, come on. We're going down to 721 again. Damn it. Lol, both happen at the same time. Then bye-bye, Brandon. No. What is Steven Roberts doing at this point, man? Mine's margin and cash. Options very risky. Try the warrant of BNGO. Options are very risky. Yeah, be careful, everybody, if you're going to do options. Okay, please only know what you're doing if you're going to do options. Okay, you lose a lot of money on options if you don't know what you're doing, man. If BNGO goes like $6 or $5 and you buy a $9 strike out the money, oh my God, you're going to get killed. So, but if it goes up, obviously you're going to make way more than you would. It's more volatile. Just think of options as a more risky way of investing normally, right? They're just more volatility, not risky necessarily, more volatility, right? So more reward, more risk, right? All right. If BNGO goes to 6, I'm buying 30K more shares, loading up to 100K, averaging down, holding strong to eternity. Same. I wouldn't want to do calls on BNGO because I don't want to lose my shares. Penny flippers better move on. BNGO buyout imminent. TXG bid at 50 plus. Bro, I don't know what's up with the TXG. Are you the same person that's been saying the TXG thing? I don't know where the speculation from TXG stems from. Let me go to Yahoo Finance and see their cash on hand. Let me see. TXG. I keep seeing this so many times, and I don't know much about the company, so let me see. Oh, this is 10x Genomics. Okay, never mind. Okay. Never mind. I thought this was. I didn't know that was a ticker symbol for 10x. Okay, gotcha. Market cap's 21 billion, so I'm assuming they definitely have the cash to buy BNGO. Yeah. Let's just see the assets here. Total assets 929. Oh man. And these are all these numbers are in thousands, remember? So damn. Yeah. There you go. Nice interview yesterday, Brandon, with Mark. Keep on. Awesome. All right, thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. In honor of Pride Month, would like to announce the Fellowship of the Sapphire. Would like to announce. Sorry, I can't read sometimes. Would like to announce the relationship of JJ and Clayton, who have been involved in romantic messages for the past hour. I'm a Mandalorian. Weapons are a part of my religion. What the hell is going on? Ark is in bed with 10x Genomics. YOLO options, he means. Yeah, YOLO options. Yeah. Implied volatility is nice and low, but there may be an IV crush after Russell event. Yeah, you got to be careful with the implied volatility. Yeah, you got to be careful with those. Brandon, can we get a dog showcase? Yeah, I can give you a dog showcase. Well, actually, no, I don't think so, because my phone, I don't know how to transfer. There's not. Well, I guess I could make a really. Yeah, I guess I could. Yeah, I guess I could. All right. Brandon got his opinion just like we all. What? It's mostly speculation. The buyout speculation is it's speculation. Okay, it's buyout speculation for a reason. All right, there's not much reason why 10x Genomics would buy Bionano. I mean, there is, but there's not much evidence for it. So we're just speculating. They definitely have the cash to do it. They definitely have the size to do it. That's for sure. Brandon, I'm genuinely confused by this chat. I know I'm confused as well. This is the most confusing chat I've ever seen. It gets more and more insane each day. I know we need more moderators. Boomstick, maybe you need to be more hands-on. I don't know. If it continues up. I don't know. BNGO prenatal and agrigenomics. I'm so confused. All right, 1.5% in the group now. 723 right now. 723. Chat the pinned comment in the live chat for the interview with Mark, the biggest retail investor and shareholder in BNGO, 1 million shares. Does anyone know a shareholder of BNGO that owns 1 million shares? Probably not. I don't know any of them, but now I do, right? I know the one and only. So yeah. Currently not invested, but I'm seriously considering just bouncing ideas, and I also see the other point. I may wait for a different DraftKings. If BNGO gets bought, at what price per share do you feel it would occur at? It would occur at a very nice point, because Bionano would be able to negotiate on their behalf, and they would be able to be like, it's not like Bionano is wanting to get bought out. It's not like we are in need of a rescue from a buyout. No, we are totally good we're totally good. So it would be at a very nice premium. I don't know what exactly it would be. It's hard to say, but it would be. The stock price would go up significantly, and they would be paying a lot more than they would be paying a lot for us. Yeah. Robbie holds 1 million shares. Do some DD on Finland buying Sapphire. Was Finland one of the ones that had the installation in Q2? I don't remember off the top of my head. Give me some DD on that, my friend. What do you mean? Do you know about Finland adoption that we don't? Tell me. Give me a link. Send me some info. Yeah, send some info on the Discord or right now in the chat. Then the shorts cover at that price. Well, yeah, we get a buyout, the shorts cover immediately, freaking squeeze. Yeah, it's over. It's over if we get bought out. Yeah, if we get bought out, it's absolutely over. We're going to go up 50% easily, probably more than that. Yeah, most likely. It depends on the details, but probably. All right, anyway, I saw that ceramic stock. What is going on? 50 plus takeout bid, TSG. 50 plus? I don't know about 50 plus. I don't know about that. That's probably pretty insane, but... Stochastic RSI is oversold, but the Matthew is curling down on the daily thoughts. Well, we're not. Well, we are getting pretty oversold in the stochastic indicator. I like that we're going down again today. Even it's really crazy that we've been going up so much, but the stochastic indicator of the daily just keeps going down. Sometimes the stochastic indicator is just weird as hell, but on the 4 hourly, you've still got plenty of room to go on the stochastic indicator here. So, gosh damn, we're still going down. Damn, it looks like everything is still going down. Are you kidding me? Man. Look at the NAS. The NAS is about to turn red. The markets are about to turn red, boys. You prepare for carnage. Oh no, it's making new intraday lows. No, we need to confirm. We need to confirm this as the new support though. As long as we stay above 14,200, the Nasdaq's good. Damn, 7-8. Oh my gosh, we're about to turn red. No, wrong way. R2 up, not down. Do you have any crypto? I sold all my crypto back in May. Dogecoin back when it was worth it. What the? I'll take a minimum of 40, bidding war 50 plus, completely possible. I don't know if there's going to be a bidding war. I don't know about that. I don't think it's extremely likely. God damn, we're at 716 now. I had 1,500 in my BNGO back when it was in the $4 range. I have no buying power at this moment. I could sell those and take profits off that to have some buying power. Here comes the bear. Yeah, here comes the bears in the chat. Yeah, get ready. Get ready, man. Martin, I need you to clarify what the hell you mean. Are you talking about my price targets in the spreadsheet? Oh man, 715. 715. I will take your cheap shares if y'all wanted to sell right now. Holy crap! Look at Torchlight. Yes, it's going downward. Yes, it's coming down to my price target. Yes, come down to 3.9 and I'll buy for a day trade / swing trade. Yes, sir. Come down to me. All right, we're all getting squirrely because the price action is so boring. I know. To all the bears, fear leads to anger, anger leads to hate, hate leads to suffering. I don't honestly like that thing about the Jedi, right? They're so... Fear leads to anger. Everyone has fear. That's bullshit. It's interesting how the Jedi deny the importance of fear. It's I don't know why. And why are you offended if the question... What the hell? I'm so confused with the chat right now. Martin Johnson, why are you offended if you question the things you say? Do you expect only good response? Explain to me what the hell y'all mean. I don't know if it's just all trolls at this point. What the hell's going on? I'm just going to focus on the stocks because I don't know what's going on. 716. Let's check the news. Let's check the institutions. Let's check if there's anything new. I'm sure there's not, but let's just check to get away from the chat, right? Let's just check to see if there's anything new here. Okay, to sum up what happened, we have nothing new. This is the new tweet today. It's an old tweet about the COVID thing. We do have, however, this webinar alert. This is this doctor presenting optical genome mapping, yada yada, June 30th, and then this other one is June 29th. So that's two new presentations that we did not know about, before, and those are maybe catalysts. And we also have the Russell 3000 inclusion happening this week, of course. God, we're about to go red. Nano's mentioned, oh my gosh, it's free. Everything is free falling. Everything, even Mora is free falling. Is Nasdaq red yet? Yeah, it is basically. Oh my gosh, it's almost red. Wow. Well, here you go. I will add shares if we dip a ton. I will. All right. Who's offended with what is expected? What? Bitcoin flipped to, yeah, it looks like, I think Bitcoin is dipping right now. Well, not really. It's still almost the same that it was earlier, but... On the 1 minute stochastic indicator, you're oversold, right? Take that for what it is, but, On the 5 minute, you are as well. Okay. 30 minute, not even close. 1 hourly, no, oh my God. 1 hourly does not look good. 4 hourly does look good, though. 4 hourly and the daily are the most important, and those two do look very good. Wow. What a day so far. What a day. Right. Radio silence by the Dream Team equals pending buyout bid from TXG, $50 plus ahead of Russell inclusion. All objective evidence supports the takeout. Bro, I don't know about that. Is that true? What do you mean by radio? What do you mean by radio silence by the Dream Team? What the hell does that mean? Compared to other CEOs, Eric does a great job. Yeah, I think so. A lot of people complain about Eric's lack of enthusiasm and lack of involvement. He tweets plenty of times about BNGO, and he and the marketing does pretty well. I think he does fine. I think he does fine. Every CEO does it differently, and right now there's not much evidence to say that Eric doesn't work extremely hard because I think he is. I think he is. Yeah, Kevin, you need DD for that. Yeah, I need links. I need proof. All objective evidence supports the take. I'm pretty sure you're just, I don't think that's true, but I hope you're right. I hope you're right. All right. Oh, radio silence is in. Well, not really. Not really. By Dream Team, you mean BNGO? Well, by radio silence, all you mean is just not a lack of a big PR, although we got big PR last week. We got big PR the week before that, and then we also had 2 new presentation alerts happening 2 days ago and yesterday. So I don't know if I would call that radio silence. I don't know. I mean, I hear you, but I don't know if I would call that radio silence, my friend. All right. I don't understand how the last 2 days we didn't follow NASDAQ when they were going up, but now we're following them going down. I don't understand this. Yeah, Manuel, it sucks. It sucks when this happens, and sometimes that's just what happens. In the February 16th days, back in the good old days, I remember there were days where the NASDAQ went up and we didn't, and then the NASDAQ went down and we went down. And we still obviously outperformed the NASDAQ in a huge way. Maybe right now, maybe we are going to enter a downtrend here. Maybe we are going to hit $6 and $5, right? Fundamentally, that doesn't change anything about the company, and also I don't think it's likely that we're entering a downtrend here. But we certainly could. It's certainly possible. I don't think it's likely, but 10,000 shares is bought. The ask, by the way, 715, helping the price go higher. I like to see it. Finally, we're getting a little bit of support. Maybe come on, let's form some dojis, and let's start going up. So we should wait for a bigger dip to buy, or should we just buy more right now? It depends on your situation, my friend. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you the answer to that. Everyone has different risk tolerance and different goals, but I would say anything under $10 a long-term steal. But if you're going to buy right now, you need to understand that the markets are valued very highly, and if the market headwinds come to actually happen, inflation goes up and accommodative policy, right? They raise interest rates quicker than people are expecting. Markets will dip a lot, and BNGO will get killed. Okay, high growth is going to get killed if that happens, and BNGO will probably follow it. That's why I'm holding buying power for that bear case. The bull case is that, the bull case is the CLI lab. They drop a PR about that, or nanonozzle, or FDA approval, or prenatal penetration, and market penetration, and or quarter 2 revenues, which is coming out it's pretty soon now. It's coming out. It's about less than 2 months, less than 60 days. So it's getting close. What would you say about the chart looking at monthly? Not much. Last time I looked at the monthly, there was nothing, and I don't think there is anything still. Yeah, not much. Not much on the monthly. I mean, I guess you could say it's the start of a cup and handle. I guess you could. Look at that huge wick to the upside. Oh my gosh. Look at this wick to the upside, man. The weekly, it still looks like we still technically can't. We do technically have a chance for a cup and handle still, but we have to start making some upside here really quickly. Okay, this is not. I think the chances for a cup and handle go down significantly if we don't have some upside very quickly this week. Okay, I mean we need to close like 7. We need to close better than what we're doing right now. Okay, there's no doubt. I mean technically we could go. Technically we close a week here and it could still be a cup and handle, but it doesn't have that clean shape of a cup and handle. And as it looks worse, people are going to get more bearish and more scared. So, yeah, it's in everybody's best interest if we can just get some upside here this week. Yeah. All right. TXG follows the ARC recommendation accumulations. What? Okay. Gosh, I'm so tired today. Man, God dang it. I'm sorry. I'm too tired today. I don't know why. Eric is doing great. I think he is. TXG is a direct competitor of BNGO. I don't know about direct, but they're certainly one of the main ones. Yeah, maybe they're one of the direct ones. We don't really have a direct competition in my definition, right? Because no one else does what we do. But genomic space, the same markets, we have competition, so sure. I'm tired. I'm tired too, and I'm late to work. SMH. Oh man. Hey, hopefully when you get back from work, hopefully when you're done, BNGO will be green. It'll be a good day for you, right? I hope so. I think it's gonna happen, but who knows? Who knows? Just added 17K. Did you just add 17K? Or if you did, please post it to the Discord. Bombs drop without warning. FDA approval. ARK Invest quarter revenue report. And guess who will be in the money? Me making money. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. God. Gosh damn, I got it in the stream. I got it in the stream here soon. I'm too tired. I feel like this quality of stream is not, it's not even good enough for me to continue streaming. I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry, boys and girls. Oh man, I tried to get things in the stream, but it was too hard to convey with chat limitations. Bullish long term on BNGO. I have 19,000 shares of BNGO, of which 17,000 were bought at 68. No buying power at the moment. I'm thinking of selling the 1,500 for the profit made to gain some buying power if the market crashes to death. Is this something that you would consider? Yes. I hope this person is in here. I hope this person is watching right now. Tell me if you are, but consider it. Yes, if you are, I mean, of course, selling BNGO is always a dangerous game in my mind, at least. But, you know, if you are worried about the market crash dips, yes, you should have buying power, right? Whether you get that from depositing some money in your account or selling BNGO, that's up to you. But if you've done your research on the company, which I'm sure you know what you're doing. I'm sure you'll make a good decision. So, yeah. I'm sure you'll make a good decision, but yeah, it certainly is something that you should know if you're holding BNGO that it's a war and there are damn shorts that want you to sell. That they want to spread as much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt as possible. They want it to go down. They want us to sell. They want it to go way, way lower. Okay, simple as it gets. They want it to go way lower. That's as simple as it gets. And if they succeed, that's going to be that fear, and maybe you get a domino effect. If the market crashes with it, maybe we could go way down. So maybe you do want a little bit of buying power. Yeah, it's true. Can't deposit, it's a rollover IRA. Why do you mute all the time for a simple question about your forecast? What? Guys, if some of y'all think I selectively choose what chats to talk about, I'm sorry. Some of the questions I just don't understand. Okay, some of them I just don't understand. But yeah, let's go ahead and end the stream here. If we're honest, you can't sell BNGO at any moment. BNGO could be at $15 at the end of the month and can also be at $2 at the end of the month. Everything is possible, but long term, easy hodl, I think. Yeah. $75, hold strong BNGO family. Yeah, Alex, yeah. That's a great point. I agree. Of course, Mike, of course. Thank you so much. That's a great question, my friend, of course. I got a bad feeling about this. What's your bad feeling? We're at 719 right now. What's your bad feeling? Market headwinds? I mean, here's the thing, guys. If high growth gets killed, if the NASDAQ gets killed right now, yeah, Bionano is going to get killed. Okay, as simple as it gets, Bionano is going to get killed. Yes, it will. And this is why I've been having buying power for a while. I mean, I have a ton of buying, right? How many shares can I buy? Like 1,000, right? Yeah, I can literally buy 1,000 shares right now, okay? So, I don't know if we do dip, I don't know if I'm going to be buying shares or options. We'll have to, I don't know. Probably a little bit both, but probably more shares. I'm not an options guru. I don't pretend to be, so it's not a long hold. Buyout soon, 50 plus TSG, bro. I hope you're right, but I don't. I don't know. I hope you're right. I don't think so though. When you're coming back, I get lonely. No dips, only rips. Make the stock go up. Stocks only go up. Yeah. $17,000 YOLO Pinterest. Brandon, don't pay attention to the negativities. You're amazing to us, and we are grateful for all your DD. I appreciate that, Manuel. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot, my friend. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. All right, boys, let's get out of here. There's nothing else. I mean, I don't know. I guess we're kind of moving, but I don't know. I've yawned like literally 10 times this stream, so I feel like we'll get out of here. I think we should get out of here, I guess. Last minute questions, then we're out, and then we'll end the stream here. Come back for power hour like normal. Hopefully we're green. Hopefully we get some news, man. I'm telling you, man, all the people on here, so limited. Since this was kind of just like a blah day, right? It was fun at the start, but dude, all it takes is one day that they drop news. All it takes is one earnings report, and then Bionano, everyone loves it again. Okay, I'm telling you. I could be wrong, but I'm telling you, dude. All it takes, I'm telling you, right now the sentiment towards BNGO, it's kind of, although we're green on the day, it's kind of, it's kind of neutral, not that much excitement, right? That's fine, I get it, okay, short term, it's boring, right? But at the end of the day, you have to remember historically what happens with the stock price, with the sentiment, with the news, and you have to do the DD. And once you do your due diligence, you'll realize why being a part of this community for a while might be worth it, right? So yeah, all right, man. Let's get out of here. What is this short interest? Short interest is very high. It's up. It's increased on the day. 51 million shares short. It's insane. It's insanity. It's insanity, man. But yeah, all right, man. Thank you all so much, man. This is not financial advice. Here, I'll end it with the portfolio showcase. There's the entire portfolio, right? So yeah. By July 16th, calls and make money. Telling you, I want to. I might do that, but I can't buy that many contracts if I did. It's just consolidation. We moved up over 50% this month. I hope you're right. If the markets give us a chance, I think you're right. All right, thank you all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.